good swing, but a bullish move is seen in Dow Jones last week. Yes, it has formed a double bottom at 31,400 levels, and precisely from there, it has shown a good rally. And see, it has gone close 32,800 levels. In our daily analysis, we had seen this several times that these levels are a good resistance level. Now, see, it is closed with a good bullish move and a good bullish note towards the end of the week. So now what to expect? Can we consider this as reversal, and can we expect a rise, or it is going to break past again on the downside and a drop can be expected? So which position you should take trading Dow Jones? We will see with the help of first charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading strategy and levels. Do watch till the end. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis and targets which I share first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch both. Let's start. And first, let's have a look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, most importantly, and this we had seen, this is beautifully consolidated here. And I told you that this is giving a breakout. Certainly, we can see bullish move, but then a sharp reversal has been seen from the highs here. One sharp drop with the Fed, and now again trying to retrace. If you look at the last two candles, first of all, with the drop also, see this candle, see these levels, 31,800, 31,500 zone is a very good support. That is the first observation. Second observation, see after this much of consolidation, it tried to retrace, failed to stay on the upside. Precisely on the daily charts, it is still respecting this channel here. So next week again, first I will look forward for it to any point of time. If it breaks past 32,800 and 33,000 levels, consider that as a reversal for Dow Jones and it is going to rally. I will show you on the monthly charts why it is getting difficult for it to break past 32,800, 33,000 levels. Now see last two candles. First of all, lower lows, lower highs are seen. And hence, any point of time, 32,400, 32,500, if you see it trading above, certainly stay long and it is going to fly on the upside. Why? Because see lower highs, lower lows and the breakout on the upside certainly going to give you more bullishness in Dow Jones. See what we had seen here. You can see a pullback here. You can see a pullback here. And then this bullish candle and then this bullish candle can be seen here. So be watchful. And also we had seen that several it is consolidated here for long. There could be a reversal indication. There could be a possible rise if it breaks past 33,000 any point of time. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly charts, firstly, at this point, we had seen that there is a breakout and the breakout has took it further down. Now look at the previous candle and this candle. Previous candle, hardly there was any move, and this candle almost formed a double bottom and since then retraced. Now 31,400, 500 is certainly the bottom here, which is going to remain a good support level if it breaks on the downside. So right now it is trying to retrace on the upside. Now if you look at the channel there, see lower highs, lower lows, certainly this is the zone which it is to pass by, that is 32,800, 33,000 levels. The next week also these levels are going to remain important and crucial. Now if it opens above 32,300 itself, a positive opening and then staying bullish, it can certainly give you higher highs, which means it can in fact take it till towards 33,000 levels, and this time in fact it can break past by, because the double bottom and here it means that there could be bullishness. Yes, we can see a pullback, we can see a swing, but then ultimately it can reverse. So that is one observation from my side on the weekly charts. It is trying to show you a reversal. Be watchful. Flat bottom, higher highs, so 33,000 levels also can be seen. Now also let's have a look at the monthly. See on the monthly chart, this is a 2000 points of swing what we had seen in this complete month, 31 400 500 and 32 3500 levels. Now besides the swing, it is trying to close at around 32,500 with a doji. Any closer above 32,500 and or any closer in green around 33,000 levels should be a good indication that US 30 might try to reverse, might try to trade bullish next week, next month also, as what it is doing right now is simply trying to trade sideways in this channel, and this is slightly a bearish move. Yes, it had showed a breakout earlier, but now trying to reverse. And if you just observe these two candles, see these two extremely bullish candle, and since then see this pole and this sideways. So I'll look forward to a breakout any point of time on the monthly charts next month. If you see trading above 34,000, stay long, and then we are going to achieve higher highs. So this is first part purely on the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. Indicators on the daily charts, see it is trading below the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. This is exponential moving average and simple moving averages both. This is slightly a bearish indication. I would look forward for it to stay above 20 period moving average. Now 20 period moving average situated at around 32,400 and then the levels at 32,500. These levels are going to play a very important role for Dow Jones for next week, staying above which, yes, it can try to close the month at around 32,500. That is first part. But yes, staying above 32,500 certainly is a bullish indication. And yes, it was trading at outside Bollinger Bands, have reversed since then, trading comfortable right now. If you look at the stochastic, see stochastic is retraced to overbought levels and now looking down here. It has still got bearishness. However, look at MACD. See MACD, despite it has shown couple of red candles, it is still stayed in green and it is still diverging. And if you look at it, it is still looking upward after a couple of crossovers. This time it may try to stay bullish. This time it can try to take it further highs. RSI is still looking upward, showing a little strength. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, yes, it is below 20, 50, 100 weeks average. Also look at the weekly charts. It traded outside Bollinger Bands and now it is closed the week above Bollinger Bands. This is a good indication. That is an indication that there is a strong support on the downside. Now 32,000 is the support for next week. Staying below 32,000. 31,800 and 31,600, 500 levels are the next levels which you can look at. So probably if it drops below 32,000, one can stay short. Now see the stochastic on the weekly charts has dropped to oversold levels. The MACD on the other end is still divergent, is still bearish, but look, the candle size has flattened and it can show you a reversal what we had seen here. Now see, this is the levels where we had seen flat bottom and a reversal, and here also the you can see bearish candle has converted crossover. So if it is bullish, it may show you a strong conversion and a crossover here. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the monthly, a notch below the 20 period exponential moving average at 32,500 and a far below 20 period simple moving average, which is 33,500 levels. It is trying to trade sideways on the monthly charts and it is going to close at a doji. That is what it is indicated here on the movement charts. Stochastic looking down, it was overbought. The MACD is still divergent and bearish. It is, see, it tried to converge a bit, but again started to diverge. I will be careful and watchful here. The RSI is still looking down and showing little weakness there. On the one hand, Nasdaq is looking upwards. On the other side, Dow Jones is giving bearish indication, and this is going to be difficult move for the US indices, as it can give you can say mixed indication on and Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. So we have to be a little bit careful there. Now considering this, let's see which levels you should take in order to profit next week. And before that, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Be a part of it, or else you can be a part of my Signal channel and you can profit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, see, I will recommend you to buy here at 32,350. Rather, see, it is closed here, but I will recommend you to buy at 32,350 only, and beyond that, see 32,400 and 32,500. These two levels you should look out for. If it stays above this zone between 32,300 to 500, we can see a little more rise where the next targets at 32,800 can be seen again, and then from there it can retrace on the downside towards the end of the week for a closer at around 32,500, and any closer above 32,500 is a very good indication for Dow Jones for the next month that it can again reverse and rally from here. But yes, beyond 32,800, 33,000 levels is something I will look forward for it to break past by, and then 33,500 is the level or the ceiling there. Any move above that, sky is the limit. Any news, anything can take it up on the upside, because 33,500 and beyond levels are something which is a good bullish reversal on the Dow Jones charts. And I don't think so that it is going to break past 33,500, but these are markets. Anything is possible. You have to keep your trades, you have to keep your levels intact, and see what you can do is keep shifting your stop losses, or book profits and re-enter, at these levels so that you can benefit. Now on the downside, see, yes, it can show you a little drop. However, 32,200, sell below 32,200. Still 32,100 and 32,100 and 32,000 levels. These levels you should watch out for. If it trades below 32,000, we can say 31,800 is the next support, and then below that a further drop can take it for 31,600. 500. I don't think so that it is going to break below these levels any point of time next week. Certainly if it tries to drop, it can take a support and reverse from there. There is a possibility, and below that certainly more bearishness can take it on the downside. See, if this breaks 31,400 500 levels, consider it as bearish and it is going to break strongly on the downside. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.